RV Business Magazine named it a must-see RV for 2026. That is not a participation trophy. RV Business is one of the most respected trade publications in the industry. When they put a coach on their must-see list, it is because something about that coach is genuinely different from what every other manufacturer is building. Different enough to be worth the attention of serious buyers. The 2026 Chinook Concourse AWD 4S earned that designation for one reason above all others. No wheel wells. In every van-based motorhome in America, every Class B, every Class B+, the rear wheel arches intrude into the living space. They sit there, rising from the floor, forcing the floor plan to work around them. Your floor is not flat. Your living space is interrupted. Every furniture configuration, every storage solution, every sleeping arrangement, all of it designed to accommodate the fact that two-wheel arches exist where you want your floor to be. Chinook engineered the Concourse to eliminate that entirely. No wheel wells. A completely flat floor from the entry door to the rear wall. The same floor height. The same floor width. No bumps. No stepovers. No compromises in furniture placement or storage design because of where the tires live. That is not a small engineering achievement. That is a fundamental reimagining of how a van body can be built. And it earned RV Business's attention. And it has earned ours today on NextGen Motorhome. Let's go. The Concourse is built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD chassis. Same platform as the Summit in the Chinook lineup. Mercedes 2.0-liter four-cylinder high-output turbocharged diesel. 211 horsepower. 332 pound-feet of torque. 9-speed 9G-tronic Mercedes automatic transmission. Real-world fuel economy on this Sprinter diesel application. 17 to 21 miles per gallon highway on flat terrain. Diesel fuel. Same diesel that the Truma Combi Plus heating and hot water system draws from. No propane. One fuel for everything on this coach. GVWR confirmed from Chinook's own specification, 11,030 pounds. GCWR 15,250 pounds. Hitch rating 5,000 pounds. Tongue weight 500 pounds. Mercedes Intelligent AWD is standard on the 2026 Concourse. Permanent intelligent all-wheel drive. No switch. No mode. No driver input required. Traction monitoring at all four wheels simultaneously. Torque redistributed before slip is felt. On wet roads, gravel, packed snow, loose trail surfaces, the Concourse AWD is working continuously. Now back to the floor. Because this is the engineering story of the Concourse, and it deserves the full explanation. In a conventional van-based motorhome, the rear wheels sit inside the van body's lower rear section. The wheel arches, the housings around the tires, create two protrusions that rise approximately 16 to 20 inches off the floor and occupy meaningful lateral space in the rear of the coach. Manufacturers design around them. Some make them into storage steps. Some use them as bed-based platforms. Some just accept that you step over them. Chinook asked a different question. What if we design the coach body so the wheel arches live entirely outside the habitable interior? What if the floor is completely flat, wall to wall, the full length of the usable space? The answer required building the Concourse body wider at the lower body section than a standard van conversion. Chinook extended the lower body outward on both sides to push the wheel arch housings outside the living floor. The result is a coach that has more usable floor width in the rear section than the wheel arch housing would normally allow, and a completely flat, uninterrupted floor surface throughout. No wheel wells. Massive living space. Chinook's own words. And they are accurate. The floor plan, the Concourse MT, mid-twin bed. Spacious rear bath. Equipped front kitchen. That layout progression is specific to the Concourse's design capability. The front kitchen can be more fully equipped because the flat floor and wider lower body allow more cabinet and counter volume than a conventional van conversion permits. The mid-twin bed benefits from the flat floor because the beds can be positioned without building up from wheel arch housings. The rear bath is genuinely spacious, not a squeezed-in afterthought, because the space is not being shared with wheel arch intrusions. The 900 amp-hour Expion 360 lithium system. Standard. Same as the Summit and Maverick. 10.8 kilowatt-hours of usable energy. 12-year battery warranty. The Concourse carries the full 900 amp-hour standard specification that Chinook has extended across their premium B+ lineup for 2026. Victron 3000-watt inverter with Cerbo GX touchscreen monitor. Standard. For solar panel plug-in ports in the exterior side bay, 480 watts of additional portable ground solar capability. Victron MPPT solar charge controller. High output second alternator with generator delete option. The 2x4 welded steel subframe on rubber isolation pads. Same construction as the Summit and Maverick. 055 aluminum roof and sidewall skins bonded with Sicker adhesive, confirmed directly from Chinook's Concourse specification page. No wood in the frame. No wood-based substrates in the panels. Hushmat thermo and moisture barrier on the floor. Rolled fiberglass insulation in the 16-inch on-center truss-style aluminum rafter roof. R9 rated sound dampening insulation throughout the walls. The 4-season thermal specification that makes the Concourse a coach for January in Montana, as well as July in Arizona. Thermal suppression system. Standard. In every Concourse. The same pressurized suppression tubes throughout the critical heat source locations that Chinook installs as standard across their entire lineup. No other Class B+ manufacturer does this as standard. Active brake assist with autonomous emergency braking from Mercedes standard on the Sprinter platform. Blind spot assist. Lane keeping assist. Crosswind assist. New for 2026 across the Chinook lineup. Blind spot detection confirmed as newly standard. The Truma Combi Plus heating and hot water system. Diesel-fired. On-demand hot water. Zone cabin heating. All running from the van's main diesel tank. No propane connections. No propane tank to fill. Drive to any diesel pump. Fill the tank, and the entire coach, engine, heat, hot water, is fueled simultaneously. Solid surface shower and countertop standard. The solid surface material makes the bathroom feel genuinely residential rather than utilitarian. Particularly meaningful on a coach with a flat floor and a larger rear bath than competing van layouts allow. Price. The 2026 Chinook Concourse is a pre-order model. Chinook's website includes a specific pre-order link, which means units are building to order. From Chinook's market positioning relative to the Summit and Maverick, the Concourse is expected to be priced in the $230,000 to $270,000 range at MSRP. Buyers should contact a Chinook dealer directly for the most current production schedule and pricing. Who is the Concourse for? It is for the buyer who has looked at every Class B+ on the market and kept coming back to the same frustration, the wheel wells. The couple who wants a flat floor for real furniture placement flexibility. The buyer who wants a spacious rear bath and a compact coach without fighting wheel arch intrusions for space. The man who wants Chinook build quality, welded steel, aluminum skin, 900 amp-hour Expion, thermal suppression, Mercedes diesel AWD, in a floor plan that takes the last remaining layout constraint of van-based construction and removes it. It is not a vehicle you find sitting on a dealer lot. It is a vehicle you pre-order. You design it intentionally. You wait for it. And when it arrives, you have a motorhome that nobody else at the campground has seen before. Because RV Business noticed it. And now you have too. That is the 2026 Chinook Concourse AWD 4S. Verified specs from Chinook's own documentation and RV Business's must-see RV designation. Straight talk, no filler. Hit the like button now if this coach changed how you think about Class B+ floor plan design. Subscribe to NextGen Motorhome for a new American motorhome breakdown every single week. Drop a comment below. Does a completely flat floor with no wheel wells change how you would use a Class B Plus coach? And would you pre-order a coach sight unseen? I read every comment. Safe travels, gentlemen. See you in the next one.